Apple tree, right here too? Okay.
Apples for everybody.
Okay.
Apples and vegetables for everybody.
Yeah, I know. I'll get some. She'll give them to me, so ain't working.
Yes, sir. Are we good? My man. Hey. Where, bro?
Well, some.
Give me the most. We're probably gonna be here at 8 o'clock. Or I might have you on standby. Just meet us at the church at 10 or 11. What do you say?
I mean, really, you want me to be here?
I'm gonna be here with Rich lives down the street. We're gonna start mixing and laying and we don't need too much help. Yeah. I'm not there right now. I'm about to load it up. This right here gonna be empty. You load the tank or load it tomorrow? We'll drop it up. I have it in here. Okay. Yeah. You wanna help? No. Nah. I just want to lay this one cork para que quede parejo todo. What up, y'all? What up? What up? Eliana, hello, Eliana. Kelly, hello. Hello, Kelly. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Thank you for joining. What's going on? How y'all feeling today? Happy Sunday. I'm wrapping up this job real quick, but it started raining on us.
We told you to leave 2 hours ago.
This is what we got going on. You know what? It's not hard to say, but I'd rather stay out of that conversation because I'm not that's I don't know all that. So it's not hard to say, but I'm gonna stay out of that conversation respectfully. But I appreciate you for joining. Insert user. Appreciate you for joining the chat. Yo, drop me some likes. We over here laying brick. You tell me, brick or stone? What do y'all prefer? These are like stone brick pavers manufactured.
Songs already out.
They need to be mixed and matched.
And this is the only one. You got 2 minutes. I'm going to hurry listen to it.
Only one?
No, I'm saying the only one that I have trouble with. Yeah, only one.
Send it to me.
Nah, it's a thing though. I ain't got the session. I think it's in the hard drive. My producer got it. My producer definitely got it. 80. Look, okay, look. The reason I'm telling you is because him himself, I don't know. Every time he put his hands on it, he just going.
Can we just book a session?
It's just going from worse to bad. Make sense?
Can we go to where he at where our session already is?
Yeah.
I'm just letting you go now. It's a little messy. I'm gonna clean up in a minute with a sponge, so don't mind the
It's
mess.
not his fault. It's my fault. Because you know how we are. Right? And then, but when he do something, then it just starts to kind of worse and
We'll
worse.
change it to something.
And now I'm just like, damn, maybe the bad shit sounded better than when it came to them. Like that.
So the original was a little bit better.
Yeah, but the
So
thing,
it's really just probably just
I don't have the vocabulary for him.
probably just
That
probably
was that for the vocabulary between amongst all of us was, it sounds like I'm not on the main track. So if the beat sounds way louder than me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so like it just sounds like it's too loud to me, it's overpowering me, and then there's some part, there's some part. Yeah,
Make a cut.
He made it.
But he put the strings in it.
He had to. He always, every time I record him, he always asks me for string files. When he done, he always says, oh, I already told him, look, this the last time. I'm gonna go in there because the last message I'm taking was, bro, I'm gonna stop fucking with you on this part.
I actually got a saw, but I don't feel like using it right now because it's my last one that I'm laying.
Okay, sounds good.
But I just made a hammer cut.
But look, play it in the car.
Actually, a trowel cut.
The speakers good enough? Look, play it in that cash and you're gonna know right away what's on with it. You might tell me I'm tripping. You might tell me it sounds good.
No, it sounds like the very phases.
Yeah.
Like the beat just too loud.
Yeah.
It needs to be on the separate verse.
And like I said, it's a part good that you do go with me because he understand all that, everything you talking about. It's just me, I don't have the terms for him.
So it fit, right?
But yeah, but do me a favor when you get a chance.